Section 1 covers how to immediately suspend your AirTalk wireless line and report a stolen phone. If your AirTalk wireless phone is stolen, immediately suspend your service to prevent unauthorized use and charges. Contact AirTalk Wireless customer service via their app, website, or by calling 1-866-367-4684. Provide your account details and the phone's IMEI number, which can be found on the original packaging or by dialing *6 tack on another phone. Reporting the theft promptly ensures your line is suspended within 24 to 48 hours, blocking calls, texts, and data usage. As of mid-2024, AirTalk Wireless requires two-factor authentication for account access, enhancing security during the reporting process. After suspending your line, file a police report, as it is often required for insurance claims or carrier reimbursements. File a police report, as it is often required for insurance claims or carrier reimbursements. Then, apply for a new SIM card and a replacement phone through AirTalk Wireless. Proof of the police report is needed, and the process typically takes 3 to 7 business days. AirTalk Wireless offers subsidized replacements up to $200 off for verified theft reports through partnerships with device manufacturers. To track your stolen phone, use built-in features like Google's Find My Device or Apple's Find My iPhone. AirTalk Wireless also collaborates with carriers for IMEI tracking, which can locate the device even if it's powered off by utilizing cell tower triangulation.